Hi, I'm Annalisa, the creator of Under Your Sink, and today I'm going to take you through the Give It a Go starter kit. You see, when I first started exploring DIY cleaning products, I had to source ingredients from everywhere. In some cases, I had to buy bulk when I just wanted to test it out. When Under Your Sink was born, so was this kit. I wanted a way for people to give it a go and get started easily by having access to all the ingredients and all the research in one go. The best part is you can test the cleaning products and see how easy they are to make. In this kit, you will receive all 10 natural ingredients that make up a perfect DIY green cleaning toolkit, and also instructions on how to get through the kit and make all 10 natural cleaning products. The 6 key powder ingredients will come packaged in paper earth bags, which are home compostable. They also come with a tin tie, so you can reseal them and then use them to store the products you're about to make. We also equip you with some tools like a glass spray bottle, pump bottle, and ice cube tray. The cleaning products you will make will cover you in the kitchen, laundry, bathroom, and right around the home. You will make everyday products like dish liquid, dish tablets, multi-purpose spray, but we'll also show you some other options like dish powder and a non-liquid fabric softener. Now, this kit is designed to be a fun way to explore DIY green cleaning and get to know the ingredients that have many uses. It's also there to encourage you to ditch the toxic cleaners and make your own waste-free natural cleaning products. Finally, there's lots and lots of love and best wishes packed into every kit. I really want you to succeed. So if you need any help in any way, shape or form, please make sure you get in touch. Thanks a million for checking out Under Your Sink, and happy green cleaning.